Danke bafethu, ibhola lase-Afrika ngibone la uMicky Junior aphostele isithombe lesi ama-fans athi uyi-fan uthi uyangena uyoshaya uReville. uReville akukhahlele wena ube nebhadi. Ucabanga ukuthi uzothithiza, didiza, akusabe avele akukhahlele-ke akubonise ukuthi ungazomjwayela-ke abakafani nabanye aboReville. Ucabanga ukuthi uzobaleka? No, ngeke abaleke umfowethu la naye uyazidifenda, uyazilwela, uyabona ukuthi yabo ngizosukelwa umuntu oyedwa. Ngcono kuthiwa kwehla i-crowd yonke abantu hundreds bazomrawundela angabi ne-chance but umuntu oyedwa uyabona uReville ukuthi hayi ngcono azi-protect. Ayikho le nto le. Ibhola lase-Afrika linjalo-ke. Abantu if they are not satisfied bayangena-ke e-stadium bafethu phakathi egrawundini bazenzele-ke. Whether bafuna ukulimaza abantu but-ke like enough uReville wabantu well equipped. uReville or man, uReville wabantu well equipped ukuthi uyakwazi ukuzi-protect-a akabalekanga. Uvele wathi hey nangu umuntu ezongibhedela bo. Wakwazi ukuyisolva inkinga fast. But let's hope eSouth Africa ngeke zenzeke lezi zinto lezi ku-continental level. There was an incident le eyenzeka kuma-Mamelodi Sundowns versus is it Esperance or another team? Yeah, I think it's Esperance if I'm not mistaken. Laphana ePitori. But-ke bokuwama-fans azange into yakhona escalate to phakathi elokhunjana egrawundini ukuthi kuze ku-affect-eka lese uReville or ama-player. But-ke let's try to maximize our security ku-continental football bafowethu, especially kuboma-Champions League, ku-CAF Confederations Cup, ukuthi ama-officials are safe. But what I would say about amanye ama-officials bafowethu ayawujaji uDoti. Uyabona ukuthi uyambona umuntu othengi ukuthi yabona lo uthengwe ngempela-ke bafowethu, ujaja nje into engekho. So sometimes ama-fans aba-frustrated but sometimes uReville naye uwumuntu at the end of the day uyawenza amaphutha. But ibhola lase-Africa in terms of aboReville kumele bakwazi ukuba independent. But-ke independence yoReville ukuthi bangathengwa kalula ukuthi bahole imali engconywana. Unfortunately-ke oReville abaningi abaholi kahle, so it's difficult for bona ukuthi babe fully independent bangathengwa. Futhi-ke North Africa or kwamanye amazwe nje all over Africa oReville kudume kabi ukuthi bayathengwa. Uma ubheke e-Egypt what they have done kuma-matches amakhulu bathatha oReville ba-overseas bojaja, especially e-Al Ahly versus iZamalek because of bayazi ukuthi oReville balapha they are easily influenced by ama-club officials nokuthengwa. So manje abasazi nokuthi obani abazoreva, they only realize before igame ukuthi okay baletha uReville wase-Italy, uReville wakuphi kuphi azojaja igame enkulu cause abantu bayafavor. We've seen, I think last season I saw something uReville wayejaja kwadlala i-Orlando Pirates i-MC Alger, yes. uReville wakhona umngani noma wayekhuluma ku-video call with ama-officials i-MSC Alger yase-Algeria, yes. Yiyo le team seyicoachwa uRolando Mokwena, yes. Some of the officials there bazi uReville bekazojaja igame i-Orlando Pirates versus i-MC Alger. Make it that make sense bafowethu ukuthi mina if I can judge manje i-match, that is why kufuneka uReville wa-away. But-ke North Africa bayazana isikhathi esiningi abanye abantu and ba-powerful kwamanye ama-club, it's easy ukuthi bona bathenge uReville. Siya-avoideni. Ibhola lase-Africa can only grow if abantu like i-Football Association yase-Africa as a whole i-create i-system e-right for aboReville ukuthi bahole iy'mali ey'ngcono. Danko bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe.